Hello, how are you doing? I just really want to thank you guys for making this possible, reaching 1,000 subscribers. Yo, this is so awesome. This is weird. This is not weird, this is awesome. Because I couldn't do it by myself without you, you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. And I just really want to thank you. And I'm so happy. Wow, dude. I thought there was a button for 1,000 subscribers. Then I saw, well, there's no such a button. But well, there is a button, an emoji, a love emoji. Thank you so much. So currently, I'm kind of building my website called Mbonis Tunes, and I am just kind of like integrating WordPress because that's what I know, because that's what I'm capable of learning right now. So well, I'll be posting about WordPress and web development, or maybe other content relating to websites and creating websites. Yes, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I was actually dancing before I started doing this video, so that's why I'm just kind of like trying to be serious. Yeah. Well, it's cold outside, 5 degrees. Let me just go. Need to go back to church. Yeah. Cheers.